Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's the progress for 11th of August. So I gave this olive wood mini mock test today, and after that I realized that I need to work a lot on quant reasoning, which is obvious I think for everyone, as well as English because seeing the cutoff of the last year, it was 4.5 out of 30. So I think the level of English was tough, at least tough, because tough or too moderate, I can say moderate to tough, because if it would have been easy, cutoff would be this low. So we need to work on English as well, because those are the low hanging fruits. We should at least take this advantage so that we can clear the overall cutoff. So after giving this olive board mock test, I realized that I should do English at least 5 to 10 minutes, or a small quiz and sectional test every alternate days or something like that. I'll decide on that later. So after this, I started with quant practice. I did time and work chapter today, and did average and time and distance. I already completed these chapters before. I did practice for these chapters. Quant I'm doing consistently for a few days, but because of that I'm neglecting reasoning, and my performance in reasoning is going down. So I plan to start it again. In reasoning, there are very selected, questions which are other than sitting arrangement and puzzles, which we can do, or at least I'm talking about myself, which I can actually attempt. Because in today's olive board exam, I realized that, in reasoning there were only few questions. I think 9 or 10 miscellaneous questions that were doable if you have not done sitting arrangement, or puzzles if you're not touching. So in that maximum, where statement based, like statement conclusion, statement argument, and I think it gets important to attempt those questions, because you don't have, if you want to clear cutoff, you need to attempt good amount of questions in reasoning. Out of 60, you need to at least target 20. So I was doing negative in that statement based question, and I have been observing this from so many mocks. So I thought of fixing that thing. So I went through this chapter, but I got more confused after watching those lectures. I did it from EduTap, but it didn't help me much. So if you guys know any good source from where we can practice this statement based questions, which tells the actual concept, what's the logic behind it, let me know in the comment section. If you know any good source, any good YouTube video or anything, it will be really helpful. After that, current affairs, I revised for July. Current affairs is very overwhelming. It is very difficult to revise, keep a track on what you have revised, and then cover the new current affairs that is coming. It is very difficult, but revision is major problem for me, because when I'm attempting GA, I realize that I am attempting a good amount of questions. Like today, I attempted 27 questions out of 40, and I attempted only those questions which I knew. But I attempted 6 wrongs out of those 27. Reason being that I was not remembering exact, data from those news, and reason is obviously lack of revision. But it is difficult to revise. There are so many things. There are reports, there are RBI news, PIB schemes. Uh, there's so many things that it gets difficult to keep a track. But anyways, we have to deal with it. So I'm thinking every morning I'll wake up early and do just revision for 2-3 hours from now on. After that, schemes revision I did for Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Education. Ministry of Finance I have done few times, so I feel a little confident with this. But for the other ministries, I don't know what to do. Then this is pending from long time. Report on Panchayati Raj institution. I started it few days back, but after that I'm not getting time, or I don't know, I'm not feeling like completing it. So no problem. I'll try and complete it tomorrow morning. English, I planned on doing it from today, but I didn't get time. So I'll start it from tomorrow. So this was my progress for today. I hope your preparation is going well too. Thank you.